Hi there, it's Kia Commodore here, host of Pennies to Pounds, a podcast and online platform making your financial lifestyle accessible and fun. I'm popping into Rewirement to let you know that I'm working with Legal & General to bring you a brand new podcast. It's called A Little Bit Richer, and I'm hoping it will make people in their 20s and 30s just that. Each week from Thursday the 14th of September, for the next few months, I'll be bringing you bite-sized financial tips and tricks. We're talking the stuff that they didn't teach us at school, but you need to know to survive adulting in your 20s and early 30s. Everything from making sense of your payslip, to mortgages and pensions, to financial wellbeing and mental health. I'm going to jargon bust all of this until you are totally clear on everything from ISAs to investments. It's all part of helping make sure you're making the best financial decisions for you. And I won't be doing it alone either. I'll have loads of great guests helping me along the way. So, tap the link in the description, hit follow, tell your kids and your mates, and together, let's get a little bit richer.